Since ancient times, people have been looking for the best lifestyle, be it on basic necessities or overall health. Everyone wishes to achieve a perfect combination. Reversing time has been the dreams of many people. Technology was not as advanced and had many limitations in the past. Today, after years of research and the cooperation of technology, this is no longer a dream. The human body is composed of numerous cells. The aging of these cells is the fundamental cause of biological aging and the foundation of old age diseases. The recent discovery of living cells not only represents a major breakthrough in medical technology, it also changes the way we view modern medicine. Live cell therapy, the world's only proven effective method to reverse aging safely. To effectively recover a healthy physique can be traced back to 100 BC. Since the dawn of mankind, consuming marrows and placentas that come from either humans or animals, today live cell therapy can either be injected or carried out through surgical transplant and other ways. Among these, placenta injections in Switzerland are the most popular and famous anti-aging method. Despite their exorbitant prices, many presidents, politicians, entrepreneurs and celebrities have gone for placenta injections in Switzerland to maintain their youthful looks and restore youth and vitality. Live cell therapy is becoming increasingly popular. However, the application of these living cells are limited. Thanks to the advancements in medical technology, consumers can now rely on Reway's simple and effective live cell therapy, Purtier Placenta, to live longer and gain better health. Freeze-drying technology preserves live cells and maintain a bioactivity lifespan of 3 to 4 years. Enteric-coated technology prevents capsules from being destroyed by gastric acids, achieving triple effects of absorption rate by the small intestine. Nitrogen-filled technology prevents the cells from oxidizing and deteriorating. Emulsification technology allows larger molecules to be fully absorbed during the biliary chylomicron process. High concentration ratio made using 10,000 milligrams of deer placenta in a 50-to-1 high concentration ratio. The wonderful combination of these high technologies and living cells ensures that placenta activity can reach its maximum effect. Purtier Placenta, the Rolls-Royce of supplements. A new generation tool for reverse aging and maintenance of good health. Since ancient times, it has been said that the deer is considered a traditional priceless and precious medicinal animal, which represents the much sought-after miraculous elixir. The deer's antlers, penis, blood and heart are hailed as valuable ingredients in Chinese medicine. Its body elegant and emphatic is able to differentiate grass from weed and praised as the celestial beast. Purtier, which symbolizes the purity of the deer, originates from the clean and zero pollution country of New Zealand. Research has also shown that deer placentas are most similar to human placentas, be it chemical or physical effects. Hence the main reason why Purtier Placenta chooses to use it as its main ingredient. Deer placenta is attained through natural delivery by the doe and does not involve killing of deer in the process. Reway International carefully guards every stage in the production process, thus gaining known recognition of the safety and effectiveness of Purtier Placenta. We seek to do even better than we already are by revolutionizing new research methods to provide a more well-rounded formula. Today, Reway releases the 5th generation of Purtier Placenta to let you experience the perfect effect like never before. The new revolutionized Purtier Placenta contains 10 precious nutrients. Dear Placenta live cells, able to stimulate the anti-aging process, allowing the organs to maintain their healthiness and strength. A 1,000-year-old collected treasury, Dalzang listed Dendrobium as one of the top 9 Chinese immortality herbs. Effective in combating fatigue, promoting blood circulation, dilating blood vessels, and lowering blood pressure. Lycopene oil is a natural carotenoid that helps delay aging and an essential ingredient in health and beauty products today. Xanthone, extracted from biological active ingredients from the mangosteen, contains a wealth of plant nutrients and has powerful antioxidant properties. Marine collagen extracted from marine organisms has the most complete 18 types of amino acids to boost immunity and maintain youthful skins. Aloe vera is rich in substances, nutrient and nutrition complexes required by the body, namely amino acids, active enzymes and vitamins. Squalene is extracted from the liver of sharks residing deep in the ocean. It provides oxygen to the cells, actively repairs damaged cells and promotes longevity. Borage oils improves the condition of the skin, prevents diabetes caused by damage to the nervous system, maintains the cholesterol level and lowers blood pressure. Avocado oil provides the fatty acids required by the human body, is rich in beta-carotene and potassium, and contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Evening primrose oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. It regulates vitality, promotes metabolism, and helps to maintain body functions and good health. The effective all-rounded formula helps you achieve the 3-step body recovery process in one go. Protect, repair, and regenerate your body. Improving your body mechanics internally, revitalizing and giving a beautiful, youthful skin externally, reinvigorating you from the inside out, entitling you to enjoy youth again. Who says you cannot reverse aging, having a healthier life? Give yourself a chance to be reborn. Purtier Placenta, the ultimate care, reversing time.